Welcome to NDN Art Books. Hello my friends, today we will draw a cartoon character Bluey. We will draw first the body. And ears. A triangle shape. And now we will put the eyes and the nose. The eyebrow. And now we will draw the left hand and the right hand, the 2 feet, the tail, and done sketching. And now let us coring the drawing. Let us start with the ears with the color orange. And the next is the mouth and the nose with another color orange. And black color. And then now we will color the head and the body with the color blue. The tail. And the 2 legs. The tummy. And then the hands. The foot. And now we are done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next video, see you again.